Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake themed for the 12 Days of Christmas. This is one of my personal favorite Christmas songs, and I don't know why I love it quite so much, but I really love it, so I thought I'd feature all 12 of the themes of the 12 Days of Christmas song. So let's get started.
I frosted a quarter-sheet cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I cleaned up the cake board and pressed lines into the cake at even intervals to make 12 even spots on top of the cake. I used a fondant press mold to press out the numbers 1 through 12. I placed them onto the boxes I scratched out. Then I modeled a pear and placed it in the first box. Then I used a dove cutout to make 2 white doves and placed them in the second box. Then I modeled a rough hen out of dark gray. French hens are gray. I made a yellow songbird with its mouth open and placed it in the fourth box. I made a thick gold ring for the fifth box. I modeled a gray goose using a toothpick to stabilize the neck and placed it in the sixth box. The swan looks similar to the goose, but this time the toothpick was broken in 2 to make the neck bend, and placed it in the 7th box. Then I modeled a milk pail for the 8th box. The 9th and 10th days of Christmas are people that don't have anything that really represents them, so I made them 2D. I made a lady dancing and a lord leaping for the 9th and 10th boxes. Then I modeled a recorder and placed it in the 11th box. And I made a snare drum for the 12th box. and I piped red buttercream between the boxes and piped a shell border along the top of the cake and another along the bottom of the cake. This is all about the 12 days of Christmas. If you don't actually know the song, I'll just summarize it. On the 12th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 12 drummers drumming, 11 pipers piping, 10 lords a leaping, 9 ladies dancing, 8 maids a milking, 7 swans a swimming, 6 geese a laying, 5 golden rings, 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.